This place is located in the municipalities of Necocli, located in the northern area of the Gulf Urabá. It is a tourist place full of friendly people where many tourists from different parts of the country enjoy its beautiful beaches on weekend and these times on vacation because they are curious to know this magnificent place that is historical because it was unfair the lands that Christopher Colon lived when he arrived in the American understand the invitation to fellow students to visit this beautiful place.